What's up, family? It's your boy, Jeremy Alexander Newsom with Real Life Trading. And as you know, every single month, I'm coming at you with a new challenge. We do real life trading. We have three parts, these challenges. Last month, we had a 25-cent trading challenge, and I failed at that miserably. I did not take one successful 25-cent challenge on stock trades. However, thank you, Greg Gilbert and David Wygant. In our moderator challenge for May, we had two moderators step up who have really tight risk parameters for their trades. And they helped me with some 25-cent challenges for a profitable May. So May ending over 20 Rs for the month for me. So now what are we doing going forward? Your trading challenge is going to be, I really want you to come up with an incredible swing trading plan. Swing trading is going to be always a crucial part of your success as a trader. Yes, you can day trade, but you should also have some swing trade capabilities. So really dial down, hone in, and focus on some of your swing trading for the month of June. Your life challenge. June is conservation month, and this one's going to be fun. I want you to practice implementing more glass containers rather than plastic bottles for your water consumption every day. I'm a big proponent of this. I drink probably about a gallon of water or so every day. And I do my best to either A, refill the plasticware, or B, use some glass containers so that I don't have to go through a bunch of empty plastic water bottles. June, you do not have to do this particular challenge with me. I am starting on June 1st, a 4x4x48 challenge presented by David Goggins. That challenge is where you run 4 miles every 4 hours for 48 hours. Boy, oh boy, that will be a challenge, but it's happening. It's gonna come and I will absolutely get it done, rest assured. So in the month of June, don't have to do that one. What you wanna do for the month of June is go to a trail and hike somewhere that you've never been before. You and your family, or just yourself or whoever, that's your challenge, your life challenge for the month of June is going to be your water consumption. Your trading challenge is going to be focused on swing trading, and your real challenge is going to be you and your family go to a hiking trail that you've never experienced before and hike it together and enjoy this beautiful weather we're having. Thanks so much for tuning in. You guys rock. And until next time, love life, and trade it. Bye.